What is this?
This is a doll.
What is this?
This is a doll.
What is that?
That is a cat.
What is that?
That is a cat.
What do you want to do?
I want to play computer games.
What do you want to do?
I want to play computer games.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
What do you do?
I eat cake.
What do you do?
I eat cake.
Why are you sad?
I got bad marks in exam.
Why are you sad?
I got bad marks in exam.
What are you doing here?
I'm here for buying fish.
What are you doing here?
I'm here for buying fish.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
What's your profession?
I'm a doctor.
What's your profession?
I'm a doctor.
What were you doing there?
I was buying fruits.
What were you doing there?
I was buying fruits.
What brings you here?
I am here to meet you.
What brings you here?
I am here to meet you.
Who is the fellow?
He is my brother.
Who is the fellow?
He is my brother.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please help.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please help.
What do you do?
I work in the bank.
What do you do?
I work in the bank.
When are you busy?
I am busy today.
When are you busy?
I am busy today.
What do you like?
I like to listen music.
What do you like?
I like to listen music.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my homework.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my homework.
What is that?
That is a pencil.
What is that?
That is a pencil.
Whose book is this?
This is my book.
Whose book is this?
This is my book.
Where are you going?
I am going for a walk.
Where are you going?
I am going for a walk.
What does your mom do?
My mom is a homemaker.
What does your mom do?
My mom is a homemaker.
Do you sell books?
No, I sell medicines.
Do you sell books?
No, I sell medicines.
Did you take your medicine?
Yes, I took medicine.
Did you take your medicine?
Yes, I took medicine.
Where is your house?
It's near the park.
Where is your house?
It's near the park.
Do you like snowmen?
Yes, I do.
Do you like snowmen?
Yes, I do.
What's the matter?
I need some money.
What's the matter?
I need some money.
Do you like to cook?
It's so hard to do.
Do you like to cook?
It's so hard to do.
Are you tired?
Yes, I'm tired.
Are you tired?
Yes, I'm tired.
Are you okay?
I am fine.
Are you okay?
I am fine.
Is that true?
It's just a rumor.
Is that true?
It's just a rumor.
When will it end?
It will end soon.
When will it end?
It will end soon.
Whose turn is it?
It's my turn.
Whose turn is it?
It's my turn.
Why is the sky dark?
It's going to rain.
Why is the sky dark?
It's going to rain.
What is this?
It's a pendant.
What is this?
It's a pendant.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep soon.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep soon.
Why do you like pizza?
It's delicious.
Why do you like pizza?
It's delicious.
Why are you sad?
Because my mother scolded me.
Why are you sad?
Because my mother scolded me.
Why did he run away?
I think he's a thief.
Why did he run away?
I think he's a thief.
What is she eating?
She is eating an ice cream.
What is she eating?
She is eating an ice cream.
What are they doing?
They are playing football.
What are they doing?
They are playing football.
What do you need?
Actually, I need your help.
What do you need?
Actually, I need your help.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do like to drink coffee.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do like to drink coffee.
What are you doing here?
I'm here for buying vegetables.
What are you doing here?
I'm here for buying vegetables.
What is she smelling?
She is smelling the flowers.
What is she smelling?
She is smelling the flowers.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you know him?
Yes, she is my grandmother.
Do you know him?
Yes, she is my grandmother.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.